Welcome to our VirtuaLaw Legal Analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the meaning, application and sample case of Doctrine of Constructive Compliance. Let's dive right into it. The doctrine of constructive compliance is a legal principle that states that if an obligor, the person who is obligated to do something, prevents the fulfillment of a condition, the condition will be deemed to have been fulfilled. Application. The doctrine of constructive compliance is based on the principle that a person cannot be allowed to benefit from their own wrong. In the context of contracts, the doctrine of constructive compliance prevents an obligor from preventing the fulfillment of a condition, and then claiming that the contract is not enforceable because the condition was not met. The application of the doctrine of constructive compliance requires two elements to be present. 1. The obligor must have intended to prevent the fulfillment of the condition. 2. The obligor must have actually prevented the fulfillment of the condition. If both of these elements are present, the condition will be deemed to have been fulfilled and the contract will be enforceable. Sample case. A sample case of the doctrine of constructive compliance is the case of GR number 158361. In this case, the Supreme Court of the Philippines held that the doctrine of constructive compliance applied to a contract that was conditional on the debtor obtaining a loan from a bank. The debtor had intentionally prevented the bank from approving the loan, and the Supreme Court held that this prevented the condition from being fulfilled. As a result, the contract was unenforceable. The doctrine of constructive compliance is an important legal principle that protects the rights of obligees by preventing obligors from preventing the fulfillment of conditions. The doctrine of constructive compliance ensures that contracts are enforceable and that obligees are protected from the consequences of the obligor's wrongdoing. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.